Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and good evening. I am Sheikh Muhammad Hafiz bin Sheikh Azmi from 8113. In today's video, I want to present about the future of Malaysian agriculture, and the subtopic that I chose is innovations of planting methods. So let's go. So now we'll get into our first tool for the future of Malaysian agriculture. Drones are now being used in agriculture all over the world. As you can see, drones can help many small and large farmers save time and money over the old system. Drones, for example, can assist in monitoring plant health if there are any issue with the farmer's plants. It can save farmers time checking the plants one by one, and it can make many agricultural business more profitable by reducing the use of workers. Not only that, drones can be used to spray fertilizers, apply insecticides, and even plant seeds in farms. If you are a small farmer, you may not understand the difference between using drones and using manpower, but in fact, it consumes less time than using manpower. It can also navigate to spray fertilizers and insecticides more precisely without endangering workers or plants. In conclusion, drones are dominating the agriculture future for all farmers, including Malaysia. Now, the next one is a vertical aquaponic. We have seen that hydroponic and aquaponic has been used a long time ago, but in this future side, a lot of farmers have managed to modify their aquaponic systems to be better. Vertical aquaponics are different from the other nutrient film techniques in which the plants are grown in a long narrow channel, while vertical aquaponics growth channels are set up vertically. There are a lot of advantages of using vertical aquaponics. One of them are it doesn't require a lot of space to set up due to its vertical design to help farmers to set up more of them in their farms and stack up more plants in vertical arrows. Next, small or big farmers that use vertical aquaponic can harvest their plants more frequently, which can bring a big impact to the self-sufficiency ratio in Malaysia. In order to develop, the vertical aquaponics concept separates the PVC type tubing into a lot of tiny pockets. The vertical garden is built above the fish tank to simplify the arrangement. The fish must be in good health, and the pH, ammonia, nitrates, and the temperature of the water must all be balanced. The nutrient-rich water is transported by a small pump from the fish tank to the top of the vertical aquaponics towers. While returning to the fish tank, the water collects oxygen from the air as it passes through the roots of the plants. Because the tubes won't be filled with water, air will circulate around them, delivering the oxygen plant requires to their roots and leaves. The roots of the plant will be sieved, and before returning the water to the fish tank, it will be cleaned. The vertical aquaponic system is a recirculating symbiotic environment just like the other aquaponic techniques. The filter is frequently used in vertical aquaponics to help remove solid waste from the water, to stop waste from adhering to the roots of the plants. The filter is placed before the water reaches the plants. And vertical aquaponic have some disadvantages that sometimes can affect the efficiency of this innovation. Some of them can cause errors to run the system because the vertical aquaponics usage is based on the computer and timer. Due to this kind of problem, it can affect a lot of troubles for farmers around Malaysia. Next, for this system setup, a lot of farmers need to have knowledge about fish, bacteria, and plants since the aquaponic system might be complex for them. Thus, the Malaysian government needs to focus more on our agriculture future and support Malaysian local farmers to make sure our agricultural futures are guaranteed.